Many women want to wear sleeveless dresses. If arms are bulkier or flabby or appear to be low toned, in that case, liposuction or contouring of arms is the only way which allows them or gives them the confidence to wear these dresses with ease. Dear friends, I'm Dr. D.K. Garg. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area at Iconic Clinic. In today's video, I will discuss the procedure of arm liposuction for better contouring of arms in case of women. In this video, I will inform you regarding how this procedure is performed, who is right candidate for this procedure, and how recovery happens in this procedure. I hope you will find this video useful. Procedure of sculpting or body contouring of arms is performed for three main reasons. Many women have arms which are bulkier or out of proportion to rest of their body. In these cases, the only way it can be dealt with is liposculpting of arms, which is done by us at Iconic Clinic using micro liposuction method. Second reason can be many women want to wear sleeveless dresses. If arms are bulkier or flabby or appear to be low toned, in that case, liposuction or contouring of arms is the only way which allows them or gives them the confidence to wear these dresses with ease. Third reason is many times there may not be too much fat in the arms, but by way of micro liposuction method, we provide better contouring, more definition, and along with that, there is some toning of arms also. So, contouring of arms in case of women can have multiple benefits and can be very satisfying procedure when performed correctly by a trained plastic and cosmetic surgeon. Procedure of contouring of arms is performed under anesthesia. In this procedure, we make small nicks which are 2 to 3 mm in size at 2 or 3 places around your arms. Through these small incisions or punctures, we introduce fluid into your arm which makes your fat softer and easier to remove. After doing this fluid infiltration, we use very fine bore cannulas which are designed by us, and we suck out fat from this area. This procedure usually takes around 1 hour to perform, and most of the times you are able to leave our clinic after 4 to 5 hours. Post procedure, we want you to put on a compression garment in the area which you need to wear for 3 to 4 weeks. There can be some swelling or bruising around the arms which usually settles in 3 to 4 weeks time. I hope all of you found this video useful. If you have still more queries, please feel free to reach us on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. We'll be very happy to help you. And please also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest information on various other cosmetic issues. Thank you very much.